How's it going, everyone? I want to make a quick video about Holo as we're at an important, crucial level here coming into the charts here. So if you guys watched my videos before, I was pounding the table on this massive support zone right in here. As you can see, we had this nice consolidation all throughout in this area, throughout this zone here. And it just, it's okay if it bounces below and above these support and resistance. But the main factor is you can see it's consolidating. And the last time we've done a pattern like that was way back in this area here. You see how we had some support, we had some resistance, and you see how price did not really make drastic moves. And so I correlated to this area with this area mainly because of also the time distance away from the EMA 20. Look at this last time on the daily chart. Last time we hit this 20 was 604, and it was like to a T we're correlated with that. This one is 819, so 704, 804, and we hit this in 2 months and 2 weeks. And so from this low to this high, it had roughly a 165% gain. And so that was a beautiful monster move, right? And so that's the kind of the thing that I'm looking for with Holo is coming up to this level. Obviously, we hit this 10 and we're kind of acting as resistance. It makes me want to believe that, we can keep going lower, right? So I told people I really like this area. Unfortunately, I did not alert this in the Discord to get in right away. I was looking at the end of the day, but I'm really looking at this area still. I think it's very nice. We do have resistance coming up right in here. As you can see, price comes to get close. If we can keep consolidating in this area, that'd be awesome. It's up 6%. It was up much higher. If you look at the 15-minute chart, we got up to 156. From this 132 to that was at 18%. That is literally my targets all the time is 10 to 20% gain. I definitely would have took some out on this EMA 10 just in case if this starts to act like resistance as that you can see. So we are still due for this EMA 20. We're definitely still due. The price is currently at 163 for the EMA 20. We did not hit it yet, and that is very good for the bulls for my strategy. The last time we touched this EMA 20 is 10-15, so 11-15, 12-15, and 115 would be 3 months. So you're looking at 2 months and like 2 weeks we haven't touched. So we're definitely getting there, and you can see why Holo is just naturally gravitating to that. The algos are going to want that to pump there. I think we've had this big massive down move, and what's great about this company is it has been known to always pump massive. It's been known as short squeeze and all that. And then people of course are really depressed on this stock is because they got way much higher and higher, right? And I try to tell you guys this. I'm not looking for home run hits. I'm not looking to make massive percentages. If I see that price is right here on this EMA 5, price is right here on the 10, a lot of the chances are it's going to there's a good chance it can get rejected. Like right up in here when we just had this RS, we were just on this EMA 20. Price has two things to do. It can either go massively up or massively down. It did not want to maintain an uptrend. And that's what Holo does. It hits this 20, it goes down. Hits the 20, goes down. A lot of the times you have these fake outs, and if it's only above the 20 a couple candles, that is not a solid uptrend. And you can see the same thing here. Every pump, it gets shorted at this 20 here. Sure, it can get a little higher. Sure, it can try to go to this 50, but the chances of this hitting the 50 and breaking through is just extremely rare. And that's what that blue band is there. But yeah, with this strategy, it makes me say, hey, I'm not going to buy at the EMA 5, the 10. I'm going to wait for time distance. I'm going to look at the chart and be like, okay, are we consolidating? Are we due for that EMA 20? So it makes sense why you would buy all throughout this region, wait it out, and then you get that massive move. This right here was just an absolutely beautiful opportunity. If I can find my arrow here, this candle right here, as you see this bullish candle, hammer candle, this long lower wick to stop out the buyers. The wicks do the damage, and then it came right up. So with this strategy, like I said, from this range here to here, you're looking at a 33% gain. With my strategy, 10 to 20% is all you need. I actually take out the 10% gains because I know that's for sure going to happen. It's going to hit that 20, right? This has really nice volume here coming in. It has 9 million volume already, and the market's not even closed. It's 215 right now that I'm making this video. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick update. Would I buy it right here? No, but I definitely see that it can definitely pump from here. But now look at your margin now. From the 10 to the 20, you're looking at a 14%. But that's the bare minimum. Keep in mind that price can go all the way up in this region here, right? It can go way up in here as that's what's the common thing Holo does. Or, for an example, it could do this massive move, but this is this big move that happened in February of 2024. It's been almost a year since we had this kind of move here. You can see these big mountains happening. Like this, look at this massive move, and then look at this massive move. We've been having tons and tons of these big moves. When you think it can't do it, it just randomly does it. So we know that's the probability that can happen. But also, do you really just want to just blindly wait and hope it breaks the EMA 20, hope it stays above it, hope it makes an uptrend and does that momentum? It's just a very dangerous game, because you could be buying all the way up at $5, $7, $10, and then people just had these outrageous averages that you could be just playing on something else, and taking these 10% adds up. It's a very nice game in my opinion. So hope you guys liked this video. You guys want to join the premium Discord, be a part of the community. We have lots of people in there. It's a system that works. We're not trying to be gamblers. We're trying to take, what's your take profit? What are you getting into the play? Where's your EMAs are? Those are your targets where the algos will come back to it. Every stock does it. And it's that simple, right? And then you might ask, well, what was this lower band? That's my Keltner channel. This is customized to be at extremely oversold settings. And if I usually don't take trades if we're not touching this, but with Holo, it has never touched it, and it usually doesn't. It has never touched in the history of the stock. So what I like to look for is the EMA's targets. Look for time distance. We know anything over 2 months and 2 weeks is really long. Look for consolidation pattern. This is consolidation pattern right here where the sellers are dying out. This right here is not consolidation where price is just going down every day. We start to see long lower wicks down in this area where price is going up, down, up, down. If you see that more than 3 days, then you're consolidating. So that's the pattern I like. Yeah, I see lots of setups. I'll be posting the one in the Discord that I like for trend reversals. These are trading against the trend, so you don't have to get the most precise entry. Always accumulate these plays, and you'll be fine. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. I'm going to post the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you do come in, please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, all you have to do is subscribe on your computer or use your phone's browser. Do not use the app if you have an Android, because they're having issues with it. But all you have to do is hit day trade alerts right here, and you'll get access to my swing trades and day trades for an all-time low cost of $12 a month. It is by far the cheapest, and as you can see, right in here is all my day trade alerts, where this day is looking like over $1,000 a day, and you don't need a massive amount of money. I have probably one of the best strategies on credit spreads on how to make passive income every day with an over 90% win ratio doing these day trades. No other day trade strategy is going to have that win ratio, and the reason why it's that high is because I teach about how to be a seller. Selling options is absolutely the best probability. Combining it with a strong strategy that I'm using, you're going to love it. And then swing trade alerts is all posted in here. But if you hit server shop here at the top left, or server subscription, you'll see the two subscriptions. I recommend try to do the day trade day trade alerts. Swing trading and day trading plus is $12. If that's just too much, then you can just do swing trade alerts right here, and that's only $6. So it just really depends. Obviously, you're going to get more value with the other one. I personally think it's my favorite strategy, because I can say every day this is how much I'm going to make. Whereas swing trades, as you can see, Holo, you've been holding this for like a week or two, right? You've been holding this, and it could take some time. The EMA 20 is going to go down each day. You got to have a little more money to make sure you accumulate these reversals. So hope you guys like this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let's make some money together, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace out.